Hi, my name is Ethan, and for this Stay and Play, we're going to be teaching you how to make Smurritos. For ingredients, you're going to need tortillas, marshmallows, chocolate chips, and peanut butter. You can also use something else instead of peanut butter if you're allergic to peanut butter. For other materials, you might need some sort of spatula and or butter knife. Also, you're going to need a plate for if you're microwaving it, and tin foil for if you're putting it in the oven or using some other kind of cooking. Okay, we're gonna start by spreading the peanut butter on using our butter knife or spatula. The way I learned how to make these is I volunteer at my local nature place. And they teach us how to do outdoor cooking and also about hunting and fishing and stuff like that. See if you can volunteer at your local nature center. Next, we're gonna put on the marshmallows and the chocolate chips. You just kind of want to grab a couple of them. These are very stale. And then just sort of sprinkle them on. Try and make sure they're not all over the sides, because then they might get slightly burnt. But now we're gonna put on the chocolate chips. Try to put them in a similar area as the marshmallows. At this point, if you're going to use the microwave to cook it, you're going to want to leave it open and put it on a plate. Make sure there's no foil, otherwise that could be very dangerous. If you're going to cook it in the oven, on your grill, or on the hot coals from your campfire, then you're going to want to fold up the tortillas like that and then roll it the rest of the way. My tortilla's breaking, but it's not that big of a deal. And then now you're going to want to wrap it in the foil. And you can kind of twist the sides just to get a good seal. And then now it's ready to go in the oven or wherever you're going to cook. Cook your Smurrito for 4 to 6 minutes, depending on the temperature, and flip it once in the middle of cooking. If you're cooking it in the microwave, cook it for about 20 seconds, open like this. If it's melted enough, then you're good. If it's not, then cook it for a little bit longer. Then roll it up and enjoy. Be very careful because it's very hot.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Make sure you have adult supervision and tongs for when you're removing your Smurrito. Let it cool for a few minutes before opening. Dig in and enjoy. Shout out to all my friends at the outdoor campus, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's Stay and Play.